we are going to learn the most important theorem in the chapters, similarity. Every year, ask this theorem in your board exam. Basic proportionality theorem, or it is also said to be in a short BPT theorem. सिमिलरिटी समरूपता या प्रकरणामधील अतिशय महत्त्वाचा प्रमेय आहे प्रमाणाचे मूलभूत प्रमेय. प्रत्येक वर्षी तुम्हाला बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेला विचारले जाते. एकतर थेरम विचारला जातो किंवा थेरमवरती आधारित प्रॉब्लेम विचारला जातो. तो आज आपण पाहूया. Basic proportionality theorem, that is BPT. Theorem is, if a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersect the remaining side into distinct point, then the line divides the side in a same proportion. पहा, त्रिकोणाच्या एका बाजूला समांतर असणारी रेषा इतर दोन बाजूला दोन भिन्न बिंदू छेदत असेल तर ती बाजू तिसऱ्या बाजूला ती रेषा त्या बाजूंना प्रमाणात विभागते. If a line parallel to a side of triangle intersect the remaining side into distinct point, then the lines divide the side in the same proportion. त्रिकोणाच्या एका बाजूला समांतर असणारी रेषा इतर दोन बाजूंना दोन भिन्न बिंदूत छेदत असेल तर ती रेषा त्या बाजूंना प्रमाणात विभागते. This is the triangle ABC. Given for this theorem, in a triangle ABC, line Y is a parallel to side BC, and line Y intersect to side AB at point P and to side AC at point Q respectively. This is the given. त्रिकोण ABC मध्ये त्रिकोणाच्या एका बाजूला बाजू BC ला रेषा Y समांतर आहे आणि रेषा Y उरलेल्या दोन बाजूंना दोन भिन्न बिंदूमध्ये छेदते. रेषा AB ला P मध्ये, रेषा AC ला Q मध्ये. Therefore, given in a triangle ABC, line Y is a parallel to line BC and line Y intersect AB and AC in a point P and Q respectively. To prove साध्य, line Y divide remaining side in a same proportion. रेषा Y बाजू AB आणि AC ला प्रमाणात विभागते. To prove AP as PB is equal to AQ as QC, that is AP as PB is equal to AQ as QC. Construction, रचना. Draw a segment PC and segment BQ. आकृतीमध्ये रेख PC आणि रेख BQ जोडला. Proof of this theorem. In a triangle APQ and triangle PBQ, in these two triangles APQ and PBQ, side PQ is the common side. We have to consider it is a height of two triangles. PQ is the height of triangle APQ. PQ is the height of triangle PBQ. Therefore, prove in a triangle APQ and triangle PQB have equal heights, that is segment PQ. Therefore, this triangle APQ and this triangle PQB. By using the property of area of two triangles with equal height, then the area of two triangles is equal to their corresponding bases, ratio of their corresponding bases. जेव्हा दोन त्रिकोणाची उंची समान असते तेव्हा त्या दोन त्रिकोणाच्या क्षेत्रफळाचे गुणोत्तर त्यांच्या संगत पायाच्या प्रमाणात असते. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल APQ as area of triangle PQB is equal to AP as PB in these two triangles. Similarly, in a triangle APQ, this triangle, and triangle PQC. In a triangle APQ and triangle PQC having same side PQ, we have to consider it is a height. Therefore, triangle APQ and triangle PQC have equal height. Then by using the properties of ratio of area of two triangle, therefore area of triangle APQ as area of triangle PQC is equal to AQ as QC. We get equation number 2, areas proportion to the bases. Then we get equation number 1 and 2 from figure. Segment PQ is a common base of triangle PQB and PQC. In a two triangle PQB and triangle PQC, segment PQ is the common base. These two triangle in a figure. PQ is the common base and line Y is a parallel to side BC. Two triangle BPQ and PQC lie between two parallel lines. Therefore, segment PQ is a parallel to segment BC. Hence, triangle PQB and triangle PQC have equal heights. Therefore, both triangles have equal base and equal height. Then by using the property of ratio of area of two triangles with equal base and height, then area of two triangles are unequal. Therefore, area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle PQC. We get equation number 3. From equation 1, 2 and 3. This is the equation number 1. Area of triangle APQ as area of triangle PQB is equal to AP as PB. Equation number 2 is area of triangle APQ as area of triangle PQC is equal to AP as QC. From equation 1 and 2, numerator is the same, area of triangle APQ, area of triangle APQ. But denominator is also same, area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle PQC. From equation 3, we can write this area of triangle APQ as area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle APQ as area of triangle PQC. पहा या दोन्ही समीकरण 1 आणि समीकरण 2 मध्ये अंशस्थानी क्षेत्रफळ समान आहे त्रिकोणाचे. छेदस्थानी सुद्धा दोन्ही त्रिकोणाचे क्षेत्रफळ समान आहे समीकरण 3 वरून आणि म्हणून या दोन्ही बाजू काय होतील समान होतील. दॅट इज व्हेन LHS sides are equal of two equation, then remaining RHS side is also equal. From equation 1 to AP as PB is equal to AQ as QC. Hence it is a proof. If a line parallel to side of triangle intersect the remaining side into distinct point, then the lines divide the side in a same proportion. अशा पद्धतीने प्रमाणाचे मूलभूत प्रमेय सिद्ध होईल. त्रिकोणाच्या एका बाजूला समांतर असणारी रेषा इतर दोन बाजूंना प्रमाणात विभागत असेल तर ती रेषा त्या बाजूंना प्रमाणात विभागते. म्हणजेच AP as PB is equal to AQ as QC. Hence it is a proof. Write down. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. प्रमाणाच्या मूलभूत प्रमेयाचा व्यत्यास. Converse theorem: if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same proportion, then the line is parallel to third side. प्रमाणाच्या मूलभूत प्रमेयाचा व्यत्यास: जर एखादी रेषा त्रिकोणाच्या दोन बाजूंना प्रमाणात विभागत असेल तर ती रेषा तिसऱ्या बाजूला समांतर असते. In a triangle PQR, line X divide the side PQ and PR in a same ratio. Therefore, given in a triangle PQR, line X divides side PQ and PR at point L and M respectively, such that PL as LQ is equal to PM as MR. To prove line X is a parallel to side QR. In a triangle PQR, PL as LQ is equal to 6 as 9 is equal to 2 as 3. We get equation number 1. And PM as MR is equal to 10 upon 15. 5 to the 10, 5 3 the 15. 2 upon 3, equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, having same ratio or same proportion, 2 as 3, 2 as 3, therefore we can write PL as LQ is equal to PM as MR. Therefore, by using converse theorem, line X is a parallel to side QR. Homework: with the help of figure, prove that basic proportionality theorem. Theorem: if a line parallel to side of a triangle intersect the remaining sides into distinct points, then the line divide the side in the same proportion. With the help of this figure, to prove that basic proportionality theorem, या आकृतीचा उपयोग करून प्रमाणाचे मूलभूत प्रमेय सिद्ध करा.